So it says that, now first of all I will quote first Mirza Ghulam Qadiani. नबी का नाम पाने के लिए मैं ही मखसूस किया गया और दूसरे तमाम लोग इस नाम के मुस्तहिक नहीं. It says that, and by the way, reference is given here, Hakikatul Wahi, Ruhani Khazain, volume 22, page number 407. It's what it says. It says that I have been exclusively given the title of a prophet, and none else is worthy to be receiving this title. Okay, now, how this quote was understood by the son of Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, Bashiruddin Mahmud Ahmad. Look at this one. हजरत मसीह मऊद तो साफ लिखते हैं कि इस उम्मत में मेरे सिवा और कोई शख्स नबी कहलाने का मुस्तहिक नहीं. About this same quote, Bashiruddin Mahmud said what? He said that promised Messiah has written in very clear terms that in this ummah, people, are you listening? In this ummah, nobody else is worthy to be called a prophet. Okay, next. इस उम्मत में मसीह मऊद को इस वक्त तक ये दर्जा अता हुआ. It says that only Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani has attained this, by the way, this status. And by the way, the first quote was from Al-Qawl al-Fasl, Bashiruddin Mahmud, which is found in Anwarul Ulum, volume 2, page number 270. And the second quote I was reading is also from Bashiruddin Mahmud, same book, on page 277. You can take screenshot as well. Okay, now look at the next one. It says that इस उम्मत में भी सिर्फ मसीह मऊद को इस वक्त तक ये दर्जा अता हुआ है. It says that up till now only Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani has attained the status of a prophet. Okay, नबी का लक़ब पाने के लिए सिर्फ वही चुना गया, बाकी किसी को ये दर्जा अता ना हुआ. It says that he was exclusively selected or chosen to be given the title of a prophet and nobody else. And now look at the next one. Masiih Maud, Ummate, by the way, Wallahi, Ahmad and Umar, look at this one. Ummate Muhammadiyya में एक से ज्यादा नबी किसी सूरत नहीं आ सकते. Allahu Akbar. It says that in the ummah of Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wa alihi wasallam, there can never ever be more than one prophet, and that was Mirza Ghulam Qadiani. Look at the next one. Is hadith, they are quoting the hadith La Nabi Abadi, and about this hadith, what did they say? इस हदीस की रूह से मुतय्यन हो गया इस उम्मत में नबी सिर्फ एक आ सकता है जो मसीह मऊद है, और कतअन कोई नहीं आ सकता. It says that the hadith La Nabi Abadi has made it very clear that in this ummah only one prophet can come, which is Mirza Ghulam Qadiani, and nobody else can ever, never, ever can come. It says Qat'an koi nahi aa sakta. Nobody can come ever. Now, look at the next one. By the way, you can keep, as you can see when I'm reading the quotes, in the footnotes, everything has the reference. Please take the screenshot of that one as well. Okay, look at this one. इसके बाद ये जरूरी ख्याल करता हूं कि मसीह मऊद की तहरीरों से दिखाऊं कि मसीह मऊद नबियों में से सबसे आखिरी नबी है. अल्लाह. It says after this, look at the quote. It's after this I have to clarify from the writings of Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani that Mirza Ghulam Ahmad Qadiani नबियों में से सबसे आखिरी नबी हैं. That Mirza Ghulam Qadiani is the last of all prophets. It does not end here. It says आखिरी मसीह, last Messiah, आखिरी आदम, last Adam, आखिरी मुजद्दिद, last reviver, आखिरी मुस्लिह, last reviver, आखिरी खलीफा, last caliph, आखिरी इमाम, last imam, आखिरी ईंट, last brick, आखिरी कड़ी, last in the series, आखिरी राह, the last path of Allah, आखिरी नूर, the last light of Allah. Oh people, by the way, this quote is you can find. Here's the one. Nabi Akhirul Zaman, Tashizul Azhan, Feb 1916, the magazine number 5, page number 5, and look at it. It was published under Bashiruddin Mahmud Ahmad. This is the reference. Now, oh people, you tell me, it says that Mirza Ghulam Qadiani is the last of all prophets. last Messiah, last Adam, last reviver, last Caliph, last Imam, last brick, last in the series, last path, last light, and yet they say, we don't know about the future. Somebody might come. Then what was all of that? And after that, anyhow, we read this one already. Ji, Umar and Ahmad, what you have to say now?
I now think that Mirza Masroor is a very ignorant person, and obviously that extends to Rahil and Razi and Ibrahim, because all of them were saying they were trying to make an argument for ignorance, Imtiaz Bhai, that there was only the prophecy of one. We don't know if any other can come. And then Mirza Masroor was trying to slip out of it, saying that we don't know another evolution, another people. Oh, bhai, this is not an argument from ignorance. It's a positive claim that the last one for you from your writing is Mirza Ghulam